Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove the PayPal payments on your online store in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the online store that you want to remove PayPal payments from, click on Manage Store button. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now click on Settings, go to Payments, and here you will below additional payment methods, you will see PayPal, and next to it, click on Manage. And to remove or to stop accepting PayPal payments, click on Disconnect PayPal from here, this red line. Disconnecting your PayPal account will prevent you from offering PayPal services and products on your website. Do you wish to continue? Yes, click on Disconnect. And just like this, you will stop receiving or letting your customers pay using PayPal on your online store. How to make sure, instead of Manage next to PayPal, you will see Connect. And this is how to make, and now you are sure that you've stopped or you've completely removed PayPal payments on your online store. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.